This place. It's so familiar. But I can't remember.
You should stay away from the flames, child. In the heart of this inferno, everything you've ever known and ever loved burns. I will not let you see it. Not until you are ready.
Who? What are you?
I have known you since the beginning. From behind your eyes, I have watched you live and grow and learn.
The hag. She called me a vessel. It's you. You're trapped inside me.
Child, you do not deserve this. You were but a girl, forced to slice and tear with teeth and claws never built to kill, by perverse monsters who relish in your torment, and in mine. And even now, you are dying.
You're trapped here. I would have thought that you would be happy with my death.
No. I wish to see you live a long life. I will not allow your death to come to pass. I will keep you whole as long as I can, and heal your broken body. But this cannot last forever.
How do I fix this then? How do I stop myself from dying?
We will hunt the vial that gave us form. You have already killed one of them, but there are still 3 left.
The blood hag that I fought. She was one of them?
Yes. When we find them, we will rip and tear and take everything they have taken from us, and more. I will have my hunt. You will have your closure. And we will have our vengeance.